So I recently made a movie trailer for a fake movie, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make one similar in less than 5 minutes. You heard that correctly. Now for the record, my version took a day to make, but I'm going to show you how to make both versions in this video. First, let's look at the version that takes 5 minutes to make.
Meet Daisy. She's got big dreams and an even bigger talent for making a mess.
I'll get it right, eventually.
This spring, climb along for the ride.
Now, right off the bat, you might have noticed the Sora watermark. That's because I made it using the Sora app. I may be wrong, but from my experience, this is the only place that you can do this. No other platform will work. Once you open the Sora app, just type in what you want your movie trailer to be about. I simply typed, make a movie trailer about a very clumsy girl named Daisy. Call it Oops-a-Daisy. Then I uploaded one image of myself. That's literally it. Sora will automatically create a fake movie trailer of what you described, including voiceover and different random one-liners.
Aw, come on!
And what's really great is you can currently make up to 30 different videos a day, all for free. Each trailer took about 5 minutes to generate, and they were all different. But there is one major downside, and it's that the quality is not that great, and I'm all about generating the best quality I possibly can. Which brings me to method 2. The movie trailer I produced took me about a day to make, but I was very happy with the end result. If you don't know what I'm talking about, here it is.
Meet Daisy. She's got big dreams and an even bigger talent for making a mess.
Aw, come on! I'll get it right, eventually.
This spring, climb along for the ride.
Hi. I'm sure tomorrow will be a better day. You've got to be kidding me. So if you like what you just saw, here's how I did it. Step 1, generate several trailers out of Sora. Step 2, cut together all your favorite clips from the Sora trailers until you make a new trailer that you like. Don't worry if it's not perfect or if the audio doesn't match. Step 3, here's where it gets tricky. Make a freeze frame of the first and last shot in each of your scenes in your trailer. Step 4, take those freeze frames and drop them into Nano Banana along with an image of your character and tell Nano Banana to recreate the image using your character. Step 5, open a video generator platform that has a first and last frame option and place your new Nano Banana generated images inside your video generator. Then describe the scene. For example, making a mess in the kitchen. I did this on the Higgsfield platform using DZine. Remember, the videos that you generate should be short, less than 4 seconds. Finally, step 7. Take all of your newly generated clips, place them back in your video editor, and create a new trailer with all of your new high-quality clips. You can use the original audio track from the Sora trailers, or you can even make your own new audio track. I even went as far as lip-syncing some of Daisy's lines. I'm sure tomorrow will be a better day. I realize, for some of you, this is more steps than you want to do. But if you just do one step at a time, it's really not that daunting. Remember, it took me about a day to do it, and it wasn't that hard because I already knew exactly what I was looking for. Okay, well that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I got a lot of really creative ideas I've come up with recently, so stay tuned because there's going to be some real cool videos coming out. As always, I'll see you guys in the next one.